Dr. B says there's no such thing as a good carb or a bad carb. People who promote this ideology have zero knowledge about nutrition. Don't be one of them. Carbohydrates are macronutrients like protein and fats, and though they are found in foods, they are not foods themselves. The carbohydrates include the monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, and galactose. They include the disaccharides, maltose, lactose, and sucrose, and they include the polysaccharides, starch, glycogen, and fiber. These are all chemically the same, no matter what food they come from. Well, you don't actually get glycogen from foods. Again, carbohydrates are not foods, but macronutrients found in foods. Our body gets them from food so that they can break them down to the simplest form, the monosaccharide glucose, to be used as energy. The polysaccharides, like starch and glycogen, are long chains of glucose. And fiber, though a carbohydrate, has bonds that we can't break down, so we can't get glucose from it. And finally, fructose and galactose are converted into glucose by the liver. To be clear, whether you get glucose from a Twinkie or a whole grain, it is still glucose. Nothing more, nothing less. There's nothing more fattening about it, no matter where it comes from. Of course, whole grain is going to give you more healthful benefits. What people confuse carbohydrates with are highly processed foods like pasta or white bread. They do contain carbohydrates, mostly in the form of starch, but they also contain other nutrients as well. But because these foods are highly processed, they have less nutrient value, and much of the starch is broken down so much that our bodies don't have to work very hard to get the energy from them. They are what we call empty calorie foods. So it isn't carbs people should avoid, as the media and ill-informed diet enthusiasts promote, but highly processed foods. To call a highly processed food a carb is like calling the ocean fish just because it has fish in it, and that is just silly. One last thing, no matter what food carbohydrates are obtained from, they are still only 4 calories per gram, just like protein. And it's only when we overconsume calories do we store them as fat.